Hi all, this is my first video about how to change the cracked screen of Kurios tablets. This is the tab. I'm going to change the screen. And I bought this replacement screen online. It's delivered as this in this box, which I'll show you later on. It's all well covered, which I'll show you later on. Let me use this first. Right, with this we need a screwdriver, and just need to undo the screws, which you can find one here and here and here and here, and then you need to use this tool just to take the screen out. And then let's see how am I going to do it. This is the let's hope it will work out. Well, okay. Right, this is the bottom bit, and then this over there. So this is how it looks like. Now I need to find how to get into the screen. Okay. And to gently remove the batteries. So we may have to use a credit card or something to take it off gently. First of all, I will use this. This is just a thing, foam to. Okay, this is a foam. Okay. And also the battery stuck into the. I will use my credit card. 1 second. Okay. This is going to be difficult. I'll have to take my own time. This is the new screen I've got received, so I'm just checking this is the right screen for my tablet. Kurios. Yes. I think this is the right one. Okay. Okay, that's fine. So let me put that back. To take all these screws, then only this board will come out from the screen. So this is the LED or LCD screen, this is the battery, and this is the board. So what I'm doing is I'm just trying to gently take this screen bit out. lots of cats here. If I can take that off, you know, doing something right. Doesn't want to come out so quick, easy. Doesn't want to come out. So I'll have to take the speakers off from here. Speakers off. Right. So let me just lift this up gently. Now we've got the cracked screen here. So got a little problem here. The tiny little problem here. There's a connection here. Stick to this one. I have to take that off gently. And now this came out completely, so I can just put this into one side. Okay, let me put that there on one side. Now I need to take off the cracked screen gently off this Kurio tablet. I may have to use what you call the hair dryer, so gently heat this area here and then it should come off. Let's see what happens. Okay, right, now we really need a hair dryer, but I don't have a hair dryer, so I'm going to use heater to take this glass off. Hopefully it will work. I'm not sure. Let's try. Okay. Okay guys, I've managed to take that broken glass out of this frame with, I would say, like with a hair dryer. Now I need to put the brand new screen. I just need to take the stickers off it and then just fix like that, and then back to try to put back into the tablet. Okay, so now the glass is on, and hope it will work. Let's hope. I'm really nervous about this now at the moment. Okay, let me try putting the other bits back. God, I need to wipe the LCD first because I've been touching on it. So let me. Hopefully it will work. Let's see. It's back on the base, and we need to gently lock it into the frame.